Good morning, students. Now is the same chapter, permutation and combination. Now is the last class. Now discusses the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 7, and now first three questions have been completed. So today, now question number 4. Now, if the different permutation of all the letter of the word examination, word is examination. You know, student, examination are listed as in a dictionary. How many words are there in this list? You put the first letter, first word is starting with E. Now look here, what is the examination? First thing, how many letters in the word examination? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 letters in the word examination. Right? Now, then I is twice, N is twice. Now, number of I's is 2. Number of N's is 2. Number of A's is 2. Right? So, to be like a repeat over, that means right now write number of I's, number of N's, number of A's. Now, repeat this question. If the different permutation of all the letter of the word examination but are listed in a dictionary, that means according to dictionary, and dictionary then start from letter A, right? But how many words? Now find required number of words. There are 11 letters, but now find the number of words, then start before the first letter word, we start with E. You know, student, dictionary according easier pattern. Before E, then letter D, C, B and A. D is not given, C is not given, B is not given, but A is given. That means, right, word start from A. That means is the first letter A is a fixed. There are 11 letters. One letter is a fixed, left 10 letter, and 10 letter को arrange करना, that is factorial 10. and जो भी लेटर रिपीट होते हैं, हमने वर्ड प्रॉब्लम किए, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में जो भी लेटर रिपीट होते हैं, नाउ डिवाइड. I is twice 2, that is a factorial 2. N is 2, that is factorial 2. But A is 2, but one letter, one A is already fixed. So like only one A, right? So factorial 1, right? Not written. Right? So now solve factorial 10, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into factorial 2 upon factorial 2, then cancel. And factorial 2, 2 into 1, then 2c, 10 cancel 5. And now multiply. This is the answer of first question number 4. Now question number 5. How many 6-digit number? How many 6-digit number? You know, student, 6-digit number, that means there are 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? This is start with a unit place, that means 1 place. Right? 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, and so on. There are how many 6-digit now required 6-digit number? Now find the 6-digit numbers, right? Then can be from the digit. Now given digit 0, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers and there are 6 places. स्टूडेंट डिजिट के क्वेश्चन हमने सॉल्व किए टू मेथड से. वन इज द बॉक्स मेथड एंड सेकेंड इज द राइट NPR, formula of NPR. You know student, formula of NPR, factorial n upon factorial n minus r. But now this question, how many 6-digit number can be from the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? Right? But is the one condition is given, right? Which are divisible by 10 and no digit is repeated. That means repetition is not allowed. Right? Divisible by 10. अब वो कौन सा 6-digit नंबर होगा जो 10 से डिविजिबल होगा और इज डिपेंड ऑन यूनिट प्लेस. यानी यूनिट प्लेस में अगर 0 आता है दैट मींस इज अ वन नंबर इज अ फिक्स्ड. राइट? यानी कि यूनिट प्लेस कैन बी फिक्स्ड ओनली वन प्लेस. The left 5 numbers and left places are 5. That means 5 places को 5 numbers से fill करना, that is 5p5. या हम यू कह सकते हैं that is a factorial 5. That means 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is 120. This is the answer. Then 6-digit number can be from the digit 1, 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now look here, question number 6. Question number 6, the English alphabet. The English alphabet has 5 vowels and 21 consonants. You know student, English alphabet total letter is alphabet is 26. Right? There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So now here, how many words with 2 different vowels and 2 different consonants can be formed from the alphabet? There are 5 vowels. There are 21 consonants in English alphabet. But now required the number of words. Question number 6. Then now required number of words. Now look here student, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants, right? But now words of Nana, 2 different vowels, there are 5 vowels, right? And now वर्ड जो बनाना दैट इज 2 vowels से, तो 5 vowels में से 2 vowels सबसे पहले हम सेलेक्ट करें, दैट इज द 5C2, राइट? एंड into 21 consonant, and now select 2 different consonant, that is the 21C2. But this is word, और word problem में now 2 into 2 plus 2, that is the 4 letter से word बन रहा है, and 4 letter को arrange करना into factorial 4. So what is the value of 5C2? 5, 4, 1 and 2. 21C2, 21, 20 upon 1 into 2 and factorial 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 2, 6, 20 cancel, 2, 6, 2 cancel, 5 2s are 10, then 2 1 0 into 24. Then, so what is the result? 2 1 0 0 into 24, that is the result is question number 6, then 5 0 4 0 0. 5 0 4 0 0, this is answer. Now question number 7. Question number 7, in an examination, a question paper consists of 12 questions divided into 2 parts. There are 12 questions and now divided by 2 parts. One is the part first and other is the part second. And part first containing 5 questions and part second is a 7 question. Now this is the part first, right? Then containing 5 questions and part second containing 7 questions. But now a student is required to attend 8 questions in all, selecting at least 3 questions from the each part. So in how many ways? Now the required number of ways. Required number of ways. Like student, there are 12 questions divided in two parts. One is the sixth part first, another is a part second. 5 questions in part first, 7 questions in part second. But total select is 8 questions. But at least 3 questions in a one section. At least 3 questions. और जहाँ पर at least या utmost का question आता है, that means there are cases. There are 3 cases. One is first case. कि suppose अगर मैं 5 questions at least 3 questions अगर select करूँ, at least 3, that means x is bigger than equals to 3. यानी मैं 3 भी select कर सकता हूँ, 4 भी कर सकता हूँ, 5 भी कर सकता हूँ. Suppose अगर मैं 5 questions, first part में 5 question है, 5 question में से 3 question select, that is a 5C3. तो 7 question में से select कितने करूँगा, that is a 7C5. Why? Since 5 plus 3 8, total मुझे 8 question select करना है. That's the second. Cases बने, that means add करना होगा. Suppose अगर मैं first part में से 5 select 4 question, that is a 5C4. तो 7 question में से 7C3. Second part में से, sorry, 7C4. And then is another part 5C5. All questions select right in first part, then 7C3. Right? Student, now solve 5C3 की value, 7C value, इसकी value आपको solve करना आती है, so please solve. Now question number 8. Question number 8, determine the number of 5 cards. Combination out of deck of 52 cards. 52 कार्ड में से आपको 5 cards select करने हैं, तो डायरेक्ट आंसर हो सकता है 52C5. That is the number of ways. But now required number of ways. What is the condition is given? Each selection of 5 cards has exactly 1 king. आपको 5 cards select करना है, but a condition है कि 1 king select, exactly 1 king. And you know student, there are 4 king, and now select is a 1 king, that is 4C1. Now number of selecting 1 king out of 4, that is 4C1. But now total is a 52 card. 52 card में से 4 cards are a king. 4 cards are king. Then left 48 card. तो अब आप 48 card में से कितने card select करेंगे? Total 5 cards select करने, 1 आपने king select किया, left 4. Right? And please solve. Right? 4C1 is a 4, but 48C4, that is a 48, 49, 48, 47. 46, 45. 1, 2, 3. Please solve. Right? And then answer. Question number 9. It is required to seat 5 men and 4 women. 5 men and 4 women in a row. This is row. Right? 5 men and 4 women. That means there are 9. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 men and 4 women in a row, so that women occupy the even places. Even places में women occupy करेंगे, that means is a first woman 2 number पर, then is a next is again woman. Then 6 number पे again woman, only even places पे, then is a woman. There are 4 women, and now man is a odd number, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? There are 5 men and 4 women, and now question के according, how many men such arrangement are possible? Now required number of arrangement, that is permutation. So number of arrangement, that is the 5 man को arrange करना, that is a factorial 5. But 5 women is arranged, that is a factorial 4. You know student, arrangement, that means the permutation. So you know factorial 5 is a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And factorial 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is a 120 into 24. Then 0, 2880. This is answer. Now question number 10th and 11th is again very important question. Question number 10. For a class of 25 students, for a class of 25 students, 10 students are to be chosen for an accession party. You know student accession party, right? That means any tour या otherwise any party. Now 10 students are choose करने हमें किसी पार्टी में जाने के लिए out of 25 but there are 3 students who decided that either all of them will join or none of them will join. with 3 students हैं हमें 25 में से 10 students को किसी टूर पे किसी पार्टी में ले जाना है but condition कि 3 students is not decided if they will join or not join. So suppose परमिशन लेंगे तो उस कंडीशन में क्वेश्चन की लैंग्वेज के अकॉर्डिंग हाउ मेनी वेज कैन द एक्सेशन पार्टी बी चूज. राइट नाउ एक्सेशन पार्टी के लिए चूज करने के लिए राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 नाउ रिक्वायर्ड नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स number of ways. Total 25 students. Listen please. Now 10 students are choose for an accession party. Accession party के लिए आपको 10 students choose करना है. But 3 students will not decided. They decided. Right? Suppose 25 students. Total 25 students. अब 25 में से suppose करो case first. यहाँ दो केस बनते हैं कि स्टूडेंट विल ज्वाइन और नॉट. सपोज स्टूडेंट विल बी ज्वाइन राइट तो दैट मीन्स 25 में से आप 3 स्टूडेंट माइनस करोगे दैट मीन्स 23 स्टूडेंट मतलब आपको 22 स्टूडेंट में से आप कितने स्टूडेंट सेलेक्ट करेंगे. केस फर्स्ट सपोज 3 स्टूडेंट कहते हैं कि सर ना हम पार्टी के लिए जाने को तैयार हैं. इसका मतलब 3 स्टूडेंट आर फिक्स्ड. 25 में से 3 स्टूडेंट फिक्स्ड हो गए लेफ्ट इज 22 स्टूडेंट बट आपको चूज करने 10 स्टूडेंट 10 में से 3 ऑलरेडी फिक्स्ड सो लेफ्ट सेलेक्ट ओनली 7 स्टूडेंट देन केस फर्स्ट 22C7 और देन केस सेकंड सपोज 3 स्टूडेंट नॉट विल बी ज्वाइन दैट मींस नॉट विल बी ज्वाइन लेफ्ट इज 22. Right, but select all 10 students. So then check the answer. Question number 10, 22C7 plus 22C10, then 22C7 plus 22C10. Right, please solve and answer. Now repeat this question. This is very simple question. There are 25 students. But now select is a 10 student, right? But condition, the 3 students will join or not. So case the first, then 3 students will join. Then total student will 3 student decide करेंगे भाई हमें पार्टी में जाना है. तो left 22 student. अब 22 student में आपको कितने select करने हैं? आपको 10 student choose करने हैं. 10 में से 3 already fixed. So left 7. Case first. But case second, the 3 student will not join. That means left 22 students. But now choose all are 10. So 22. And it's the last question of this exercise 11. Now look here student. Question number 11. In how many ways can the letter of the word assassination we arrange that all the A's are together? All A's come together. That means सारे S एक साथ. तो उस कंडीशन में now first thing is the word assassination. ASSINETION. First thing now count how many letters in the word assassination. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 letters in the word assassination. But now number of A's is 4. Number of S is 4. At S there are 4. Number of I's is 2. Number of S, number of A, number of N, number of N is twice, that is 2. And now required how many B's? That means required number of B's. Now dear student, then this is the word assassination, right? This is a word problem question that use permutation. But it is a problem. There are 13 letters. There are 30 letters, but all S comes. That means all S comes in A, 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 A is 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, A is 3. Right? And I is 2 and S is 4. So first thing is a 3, right? Then I is twice, then N is twice, P, and then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So all S comes together as a one letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and as a one letter, that means the factorial 10 upon. Then A is thrice, factorial 3. I is 2, factorial 2. I is 2, factorial. Right? And all are same. That is no arrangements, no permutation. So this is answer. So student, please solve permutation and combination, and any problem please contact my WhatsApp number. Thank you.